Hey, what's up, everyone? So, we've had another great day today, another green day today. It's, the revenue numbers exceptional. Phenomenal results today. However, my performance was mixed at best, is what I would say. Redbox is the one we traded first, and I've traded again a couple of times throughout the day. And when you get a stock and you just think it's got your number, every time I tried to enter a position for a breakout, and it just wouldn't go my way. Every time we got a breakout, it would reverse quite quickly. And so RDBX was Redbox, and it is currently, the Reddit community, the Wall Street Bets community is trying to. It's heavily shorted, so they're trying to force a short squeeze with this. This is why it's got quite a bit of volume, and this is why it's sticking around for a while. It's kind of taken over as the number one short squeeze candidate from the likes of AMC and GME, which are both still around as well, and not performing too badly at the moment either. But so Redbox or RDBX is the ticker that traded in. We lost $9,000 in total on Redbox. So not my best trading day with that. However, what offsets that was we made over $36,000 on AERC, and I'm going to go into the trade. We traded. There's a couple of parts to this. The first part was pre-market, and I won't be showing that, but pre-market, we got in and I didn't trade it as well as I should do. I held on to the position too long. My risk reward was way off kilter. I was effectively risking twice as much as I was looking to gain, and it should be the other way around. But still, we made gains. So we made $7,500 on that pre-market, and then we came into the market, and we as the market opened, we looked for the patterns. We lost, as I say, we lost with Redbox, and then AERC started to make a move up, and that's when we got it. And I've got it all recorded, so I'll show you exactly where we made the money and what we did. Before I do that, do me a favor, smash that thumbs up button. It's great for the YouTube algorithm, and if you subscribe to the channel as well, that's great for my ego and just helps me out. It will allow you to get notified when I'm trading live. Every single day I trade live 90 minutes before the market opens and the first hour of the open, and I very often trade the last hour of the market, affectionately known as power hour as well. So you get notified when I'm going live, when I'm posting new videos as well. So subscribe to the channel, and we can be friends. In the meantime, enjoy this trade recap. Hey guys, so I'm going to show you what I actually did with this before showing the actual live recorded version of events, because it was a fairly clean setup that we made the money on. And we can see here that as we came in, we started to sell off with AERC after the bell, and we got this move up to the VWAP, rejected at the VWAP, so the VWAP fade, if you will, the opposite of the VWAP bounce. But we got the VWAP fade. It then did another round number and then came back up again. And if you're unfamiliar with this pattern, what I see here is an inverted head and shoulders. So this is where I entered the position. As this broke up above the VWAP and then pulled back, that's where we actually entered the position. We initially got in for the break of this head and shoulders for the move up. And it went up a little bit. We took a little bit of profit. Then we tried to get in again, and it went against us. So we got stopped out down here, pretty much on the VWAP. So I'm now looking at, okay, well, not quite right, but we're getting a test of support on the VWAP. Next candle to make a new high is the candle that we need to get in on, and that was this candle, and this is where we entered. And we had a very tight stop loss. Number of reasons why. We had the $0.50 support, very psychological level. We had the VWAP also converging on the $0.50. We also had the 9 exponential moving average was at this level also. We had the 20 exponential moving average all at this level alongside, and we had the 200 moving exponential average. So all of these support confluence, if you will. So I felt comfortable here. Look, worst case scenario is I'm risking 20 cents. I'm going in big size. We had a really good day yesterday. I'm going to put a 20-cent stop on there. We got in at 10, just over 1070, 1072. I put a 20-cent stop on there. The VWAP was at 1053. We of course had the $0.50 support and all of the other exponential moving averages all converging on this particular area. So that's where I put my stop in place, and we went in for 25,000 shares, and it took off. Enjoy it as it happened. It was recorded, so I'll play how the recording. Another great trade today, over $36,000 on this particular trade. We gave back on Redbox. We had a bit of a hole on Redbox that we had to fill. So all in all, $27,000 day across the day. Another great day. We've had over $100,000 in 3 trading days with AeroClean alone. So it's 6,500 on Monday, 36,500 today, and we did 63,000 yesterday. So my new favorite stock, if you will. So over $100,000 in 3 days on a single stock. So very happy with the way the month of June is going. May is well and truly behind us. The choppy, the difficult to trade days. We've had a bit of volatility, a bit of momentum, and long may it continue. So enjoy the replay of the trade as I took it, and I will hopefully see you soon. First candle to make a new high, so 1080 or above. Go get in there. Ouch. Got the VWAP as 9 EMA. Oh, sorry, it's not. It's the 200 EMA, the VWAP, the 9 EMA, the $0.50. Huge confluence of support at 1050. Giving this 30 cents. So I don't get pushed past. I'll put it at 52. 53 because my entry is 83, so I'll go at 53. Ethereum pumping. To hit. Well, Redbox is selling off right now. So Redbox is nine. It's under $10 now. I got stopped out there. Got pulled all the way back. Got stopped out. We've got a huge confluence of support there. That could be a good entry on the $0.50. I see a sign that that is the case. Getting a bit of a WAG setup as well. $1087, yeah. So brick size. Move up. Brilliant. 1072. And once again, I'll just put my stop just below the VWAP. I'm effectively risking 5k on this. Move up. Looking for $11. For the break of $11 again. Move the stop up to a little over break even. Are we going to get the break of $11? Come on, do this for me. There's 11. And 88 is my stop. First candle to make a new low now. On the way up. I'll just keep moving my stop accordingly. Well, that's a good one. I'm now up over $11 on my stop. 11.05 is where my stop is. This, put 19 grand. Look at this. Look at where we're going. Just moving my stop up. Got 20 cents on the stop. 17 grand on this. 20 grand. Nice. Nice. 35 cents is where my stop is. 40 cents on my stop. This could be a good trade. We're over 27 grand on this trade. Up to 30 grand now. 11.70. I've moved my stop up to 64. Hello, hello, hello the money. Come on, guys. This is what we're talking about. This stock is having a field day. There we go. Into a halt. I can cancel that stop and prepare a trailing stop. I'm going to put a 30-cent trailing stop. As soon as it... look, we're doing it again, guys. $35,000 unrealized at the moment. So we're having another good day, guys. We're having another good day. Why did the price stop at 12.12? Volatility halts. So if a stock moves, there we go. I've got my trailing stop, 30-cent trailing stop there, and we got stopped out. $36,000 for a $29,000 day. Ah, stop. Can I have a round of applause for Tony? So another good day's trading, another profitable green day. It takes June. We're only 6 trading days in. We've got another 15 trading days to go. But it takes June, you know, to a whole different level to what we were like in May. We've had a good year to date, but May really is the blot on the landscape. We didn't, you know, net make any money in May. The trade profit was 2,000, but after all the transaction charges and fees and commissions, etc., we lost money in May. That took a bit of a mental and emotional toll. It was just a very difficult trading month. So to be now back on the horse, if you will, a bit of momentum behind me, consecutive green days. Now, we've had effectively, what's that now? A good 11, 11 green days in a row. So 12 days since we last had a red day. Long may that continue. Join me every single day. Let's see how long we can keep this streak going. Hopefully we can have a green June. That will be a really great achievement. A green June. That's now the goal that I'm setting for myself for June. So we're going to try and keep every day green in June. Come join me tomorrow. I'll be back at the markets. I'll be back at my desk 90 minutes before the market opens. I hope to see you there.